a state that might also be a woman's first name.
Atlanta.
Atlanta. You know you're gonna be on YouTube, don't you? Name something that follows the word pork.
You pine.
Huh? What is cupine? This is the greatest answer I've ever heard. Give me a word that rhymes with wrinkle.
Sprinkle.
Yeah.
Sprinkle.
That's a good one. Look up there. Some politicians belong in the White House, others belong in the blank house.
Well, Steve, if they're good, they belong in the White House.
I'm gonna answer the question with your question. Is this your brother-in-law?
That's my brother-in-law.
Your brother-in-law about to be on YouTube.